Hello, today we will guide you through how to place a trade on FX Replay. To begin, open FX Replay and go to the Getting Started page. This is the starting point for accessing the platform's trading practice tools. Once the page loads, look for the testing section and click on it. This area is where you can work through simulated trading activity, which is useful for practicing order placement without affecting a live account. After entering the testing area, click on Sessions. Sessions are where your replay environments and save practice setups are organized. If you have more than one session available, simply choose the one you want to work in. From there, click Go to Chart. This will open the chart interface where you can place and manage your trade. Once the chart is open, move to the top of the screen and click Place Order. This opens the order entry panel where you'll define the basic details of the trade. At this stage, you'll need to decide the direction of your position. Select either buy or sell depending on the trade you want to simulate. In simple terms, buy is used when you expect price to move up, while sell is used when you expect price to move down. Next, enter the sample entry price. This is the price level where you want the trade to be placed. Be careful when entering this value, since even a small difference can affect how the trade is tested on the chart. After that, enter the sample position size in lots. This determines the size of the trade, so make sure the value matches the setup you want to practice. If you are learning, it can help to start with a smaller lot size, so you can focus on understanding the order flow before testing more advanced position sizing. Once you've filled in the order details, review everything briefly to make sure your trade direction, entry price, and position size are correct. When you're done, click Save in Journal. This final step records the trade and stores it in your journal, which is helpful for reviewing your decisions later and tracking your progress over time. That's it. You've successfully placed a trade in FX Replay. As you continue practicing, using the journal consistently can make it much easier to spot patterns, improve discipline, and refine your trading process.